Okay, this is something I was eagerly waiting to get my hands on. Amazfit has recently launched their premium category smartwatches, the GTS 4 and GTR 4 in the Indian market. And today in the house, we have their brand new GTS 4 smartwatch to unbox and check out. GTS 4 is a luxury level premium category smartwatch from the brand and has every feature that you'd want on a watch. The brand has really stepped up their game and finally added Bluetooth calling support, onboard music storage, and also has dual band GPS, AMOLED display, plenty of other features. So I'm like pretty excited to unbox and show it to you in this video. Comes in this sort of box packaging. You got the Amazfit branding everywhere, picture of the product on the front, and that is pretty much it. So without wasting any more time, let's quickly get started with the unboxing. So the outer box slides out like this, and on the inside you got one more plain white box with just the Amazfit logo, and opening that reveals the smartwatch, guys. So watch is actually available in like 3 to 4 different color variants. Today we have the black edition, and there you go boys, the brand new GTS 4 smartwatch in the hand. Oh my god, look at this beauty, guys. We'll just come back to the smartwatch in a moment. Along with that, you get a magnetic pogo pin cable for charging and some paperwork. Just make sure to read that. So that is it. These are all the stuff we got in the box. Now let me give you a closer look at the smartwatch and talk about the design and build quality. GTS 4 is a squarish form factor watch, whereas the GTR is a round shaped smartwatch. So there you go. This is how the watch looks like. Beautiful design, guys. Initial impressions. Watch feels very class and premium. I mean, as soon as you pick it up in the hand, right, you can definitely feel that premium rich material in the hand. The whole watch body is made of like aluminum alloy, guys. Bottom panel is though made of polycarbonate, and look at this whole finishing, guys. Definitely justifies the price tag. It's got a beautiful finishing, and look at that crown also on the right side. It has a gemstone sort of finish with a beautiful Amazfit logo on it. And best part, it's a digital crown. You can actually navigate and go through a lot of stuff using that crown. On the bottom you got some stickers. Let me just remove that. So you've got some sensors over here, guys. You got Amazfit's brand new BioTracker 4.0 PPG sensor. And talking about the display, I haven't told you, right, it comes with a 1.75-inch AMOLED display. And that's it, our quick overview on the smartwatch. And not to forget, it's also 5 atmospheres water resistant. And talking about the straps, quality of the straps is also very nice, feels soft and durable. So what I'll do is I'll quickly set up the watch, guys. I'll use it for a couple of days, then be right back to continue the video and share my feedback. So guys, I'm back to continue the video. I've been using this smartwatch for the last few days, and now I'll be sharing my complete experience and feedback on this model. There is a lot I have to talk about, so make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, let's start with the display quality. As I've told you before, Amazfit's GTS 4 packs a 1.75-inch squarish form factor AMOLED display, and to be honest, I've reviewed so many smartwatches in the recent times, right? But this one has like the most beautiful display, guys. Gorgeous is what I can say. It's got like great amount of detail thanks to that high resolution of 390 by 450. I mean, just look at it. Everything looks so crisp and clear. Any sort of text in messages, crisp and clear, guys. And apart from that, talking about colors are also very nice, accurate and punchy thanks to that AMOLED panel. Near to infinite contrast ratio and also deep black levels. Viewing angles are also excellent. And talking about brightness is also like really good. Panel can go really bright, and I had no issues checking out the display even under like direct sunlight, guys. And best part is, since it's an AMOLED display, as you can see, it does support always on display as well. You have two options to choose from: digital style, analog style. So choice is up to you. And yes, it also has like raise to wake display, and that was also working well most of the time. So what I'll do is I'll give you like a closer look and show you all the menu, UI, built-in apps and features. So here's how the home screen on the watch looks like. And talking about the watch faces, GTS 4 supports more than 150 plus watch faces, guys. And on board you get around like 7 to 8 watch faces pre-installed, and you can even download more of them using Amazfit Zep app on your phone. Now swiping down on the home screen gives you access to status panel. Here you can check out the watch battery level, and also a lot of shortcuts are there to quickly adjust the brightness. And talking about brightness, guys, I forgot to mention, watch also has like ambient light sensor on board. So if you enable that, right, it can automatically adjust the brightness according to your room's ambience. So that is one really nice feature. Along with that, you've got some shortcuts for general settings and D&D mode, theater mode. Lots of stuff are available. Just make sure to check it out. And apart from that, if you swipe up on the home screen, right, you can quickly access the notifications area. Here you can check out all your recently saved notifications, either it be from Instagram, WhatsApp, any social media app. Again, for this you'll definitely need to install the Zep app on your phone and pair that with this smartwatch. Now by swiping left or right on the home screen, you can quickly access the widgets present on it. There are a couple of favorite widgets, guys. For example, the first one is your today's fitness activity levels. It shows you how many steps you've taken, distance traveled, calories burnt, and stuff like that. And if you want like a detailed analysis or maybe like a monthly summary, you will have to check out the compatible app on your phone. Moving on, you've got your 24/7 HR monitoring app. Weather app is also available. This is Amazfit Spy Score, and a music player is also there. And we'll talk about the music player. That is also something special in a moment. And best part is the watch also has Amazon Alexa voice assistant built in. Just click on that, ask any question, and the watch will respond via the built-in speaker on the go. That is like pretty cool, guys. So that's it. These are all the available widgets on the home screen. Now suppose if you want to access the complete list of apps and features present on it, you can do that by pressing this crown on the right side. And let me tell you, the crown on this smartwatch is actually digital and fully functional. You can use this to navigate through a lot of stuff. For example, if you want to go through or navigate through this list of menu, you can easily do that using this crown. Look at this. How cool is that? And let me tell you, the feedback that this crown offers is also like pretty awesome, guys. It has that linear vibration motor on board, right? Produces really subtle feedback and gives you that rich and premium feel while using. So starting off, you've got Amazfit Spy scoring, and a lot of health related features are there, like 24/7 heart rate measurement, blood oxygen SpO2 is also there. This is something Amazfit's exclusive feature known as one tap body measurement. That means it tracks all your health related functions with just one app, guys. Pretty useful. Moving on, you've got your workout section. Here you can access plenty of sport modes. Almost like 150 different category sport modes are available. And best part is GTS 4 also has like dual band GPS with 6 satellite positioning systems on board, right? So you can expect like a very accurate geolocation data whenever you're doing some outdoor sort of activities. Just click on any of these activities, start that, and within 30 to 40 seconds the watch was picking up the GPS signal and getting your activity started. It measures a variety of things like 24/7 heart rate, distance travel, calories burned, and plenty of other stuff, and gives you like a full summary of the whole activity. Now moving on, you've got your stress level measurement, sleep monitoring is also there, and this is your phone app. Now using this, guys, as I've told you, the watch has like Bluetooth calling on board, right? With a built-in mic and a speaker, you can just literally dial in any number, place a call, and talk to that person from the watch only. No need to even take out your phone from your pocket. Now that is something pretty awesome. I'll give you a demo of this also at a later part in the video. And this is your membership card. This is also something new over here. So for example, you do a lot of shopping, and every time you pay using your cards, right, you don't need to save the cards on your phone. You can save those cards on the watch also. Simply show the watch during checkout and get going with your shopping just like that. So pretty useful feature. And music player is also there, and cool thing is it supports both offline music player and also like remote music player. You can control the music that is being played on your smartphone, or the watch also has like on board storage, so you can save songs on the smartwatch and listen to them via the built-in speaker. And one more option is there where you can actually connect your Bluetooth TWS also to the smartwatch and listen to music without your phone. So these were some pretty awesome features I felt Amazfit added this time. And apart from that, you do have all your general related stuff like alarms is there, stopwatch, timer, compass. All of these features are available, guys. Amazfit hasn't missed anything this time. So I have to appreciate the brand for that. And that's it. These were some of the main features available. And lastly, you also have a couple of games on this smartwatch, guys. You got something known as 24 points and dodge mines. So time pass games are also available. So that is pretty much it, our complete look at the built-in apps and features. Now let me tell you about the health related functions and how they were working. GTS 4 supports full arsenal of health related services. It's got 24/7 HR monitoring, blood oxygen SpO2 is also there, sleep data analysis, breathing exercises, all of these functions were available. And during my usage, 24/7 HR monitoring and blood oxygen SpO2 level, all of these functions were working very well and giving accurate results almost 95% of the time. And now comes the main highlight of the smartwatch, and that is Bluetooth calling. As I've told you, the watch has built-in microphone and a speaker, and you can literally dial in any number and talk to that person without even taking out your phone from your pocket. And I've been using this Bluetooth calling feature a lot in the past few days, and let me tell you, microphone quality on the smartwatch was like very good, guys, just like a smartphone. I had no issues talking to the other person using the smartwatch, even up to quite a bit of distance away from my mouth, and the other person was able to clearly hear and understand what I was speaking. No issues at all. And coming to the speaker quality was also nice. It was producing like good clarity sound. Everything was audible and clearly understandable. Only thing I felt is audio output of the speaker was slightly a bit less, guys. I've actually seen like better speakers on smartwatches, so that is the only thing I have to say. Anyways, what I'll do is I'll quickly open up the app, dial in some number and show you how the speaker on it sounds like.
మీరు డయల్ చేసిన నంబర్ సరైనది కాదు. దయచేసి మీరు డయల్ చేసిన నంబర్ని సరిచూసుకోండి.
Here's one more interesting feature on the smartwatch. As I've told you, GTS 4 has Amazon Alexa voice assistant built in. You can just press that and ask any question and the watch will actually speak the answer through the built-in speaker. Let me give you quickly a demo. So just click on that. What's the weather today?
Right now in Secunderabad, Telangana, it's 27 degrees Celsius with scattered clouds. Today's forecast has showers with a
There you go. So just like that, you can ask Alexa anything and it will give you the answer. Pretty cool feature, guys, working well most of the time. We're almost coming to an end, so let me tell you about the battery life as well. So GTS 4 packs a 300 mAh battery, and battery life was sort of mediocre, guys, because it's got lots of functions built in, right? Bluetooth calling is there, GPS is there, plenty of other features like built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. So you can't expect a lot from over here. So on a typical sort of usage with the brightness set to around like 60%, you're using Bluetooth call in a bit, also GPS, sport activity tracking, HR tracking, you can expect somewhere around like 6 to 7 days of battery life. But again, if you're like a very heavy user, you rely on that Bluetooth calling a lot, or you use that GPS function for sport activity tracking a lot, then you can only expect around like 2 to 3 days of battery life. Not to worry, you can fully charge the smartwatch in only 2 hours, so that is one good thing. Well, that's it, our video on Amazfit's brand new GTS 4 smartwatch. Beautiful looking smartwatch, premium design, look and feel, absolutely gorgeous AMOLED display, and also digital crown function is there, Bluetooth calling, 5 atmospheres water resistant, plenty of apps and features. There's nothing less you can expect over here, guys. You'll be like fully satisfied with the features on this thing. And the only thing I felt, as I've told you guys, output of the speaker could have been slightly higher. Apart from that, everything else was top notch. So pricing of this smartwatch starts at around 16,999 rupees. Links for that will be in the description box below. You can check it out there. So what do you think about this smartwatch? Share your thoughts also in the comment section. And that's it. If you all enjoyed watching the video, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.